Today, I'm showing you how to make cranberry curd. I'm getting 250 grams of frozen cranberries into a pot with 100 grams of sugar and 250 milliliters of water. Let this simmer on medium-low for 15 to 20 minutes until most of the cranberries have popped and the mixture looks like this, where the cranberries have cooked down but there's still a little bit of liquid. Let that cool for 10 minutes, then blend. I've never just blended what is basically cranberry sauce before, but to be honest, if I hadn't been set on making a curd, I'd be quite happy stopping here and using this as a sauce for something savory. The color is super punchy and vibrant and the texture is pretty perfect. This with something like pan-seared duck breast or a nice bit of venison would be brilliant, but anyway, I digress. Back to the curd. Get 3 egg yolks into a bowl. Then place that over a bain-marie. Add in 50 grams of sugar and whisk. You need to whisk constantly or the eggs will scramble, but as you whisk, the mixture will go from looking grainy and thin to thick and fluffy. At this stage, add in your cranberry and whisk this through. Then we're going to whisk in 60 grams of butter, and this will melt into the curd quite quickly, so once it has, remove the cranberry curd from the heat. Strain the curd into a shallow container, cover with cling film, and set in the fridge to cool. Once cool, transfer your cranberry curd to a jar or container to store. As some of the air that we whisked into the curd begins to dissipate, the color becomes a lot more vibrant. You can use this as a filling for tarts, with white chocolate, on scones, on pancakes, or to add a bit of tartness to plated desserts. There are loads of ways you can use this, so I'll throw some suggestions in the description box below. If you like this video and want to see more content like this, consider subscribing, hitting the bell notification button, and connecting with us elsewhere at chefstudio_.